Space is a place where reality gets stranger than science fiction. From planets with glass storms to stars that pulse like cosmic heartbeats, the universe is full of bizarre phenomena that defy everything we thought we knew. Get ready to explore the weirdest corners of the cosmos, because what you're about to hear will blow your mind. Fact number 1, you grow taller in space. Without gravity compressing your spine, astronauts can grow up to 2 inches taller while in orbit. The vertebrae in your spine actually spread out when there's no pressure holding them together. It's temporary, and they shrink back down on Earth. But still, imagine floating through space with a slightly longer frame, only to come back to Earth and feel just a little shorter. Fact number 2, space has a smell. Yeah, space smells. Astronauts say it reminds them of seared steak, welding fumes, or burnt metal. When they return to the airlock, the smell clings to their suits. It's likely due to high-energy atoms from solar winds reacting with suit materials. So technically, the cosmos smells kinda like a barbecue in a machine shop. Fact number 3, space is completely silent. There's no air to carry sound. If an explosion happened right next to you and you weren't touching it, you wouldn't hear a thing. Sound requires molecules to travel through, and in the vacuum of space, there just aren't any. Total silence, which makes the idea of floating alone out there even more chilling. Fact number 4, Earth is surrounded by deadly junk. There are over 170 million pieces of space debris orbiting Earth. That includes everything from broken satellites to tiny paint flecks. Even a tiny shard traveling at 17,000 miles per hour can puncture a spacecraft or destroy a satellite. It's basically a floating junkyard up there, and growing every year. Fact number 5, time moves slower on Earth. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the faster you move, the slower time passes for you. So astronauts aboard the ISS are technically aging more slowly than people on Earth. It's a tiny difference, milliseconds, but over long distances or faster speeds, it adds up. In theory, you could travel into the future by moving fast enough. Fact number 6, space is colder than you think. The average temperature in deep space is minus 270 degrees Celsius, just 3 degrees above absolute zero. That's colder than anywhere on Earth. While you wouldn't instantly freeze thanks to lack of air molecules, you'd lose heat rapidly through radiation. Space isn't just cold, it's the coldest environment humans can encounter. Fact number 7, astronauts drink sweat and urine and exhaled breath. On the ISS, water is incredibly valuable, so every drop is recycled, even from the air. The system filters everything until it's purer than bottled water. It may sound gross, but astronauts say it's tasteless and safe. Fact number 8, you still have mass in zero gravity. Weightlessness doesn't mean masslessness. You float, but every push and pull still has consequences. If you toss something, it pushes you back. Try spinning and you might not stop. That's why astronauts train for months to move precisely. Even simple tasks can go wildly off track without friction to help. Fact number 9, black holes will spaghettify you. If you fall into a black hole, you'll be pulled so strongly that your body will stretch vertically while being squeezed horizontally. Scientists literally call this spaghettification. It happens because gravity near a black hole is insanely uneven. One part of your body is closer to the center, and the pull difference becomes fatal. Fact number 10, space tourism pollutes a lot. One short suborbital flight, like the one Katy Perry took, can release tons of carbon dioxide, equivalent to a single person's emissions for an entire decade. Rocket soot can linger in the upper atmosphere and contribute to climate change. As space tourism grows, this could become a serious problem. Fact number 11, stars that pulse like cosmic heartbeats. Some stars don't just shine, they pulse like giant cosmic heartbeats echoing through space. These are called pulsating variable stars, and they literally expand and contract rhythmically, causing their brightness to rise and fall in perfect intervals. It's like the star is breathing or drumming to some ancient beat of the universe. Astronomers use these stellar pulses to measure distances across galaxies, almost like using the universe's own heartbeat as a cosmic ruler. Fact number 12, the largest known star could fit our sun millions of times. Our sun might feel huge until you meet UY Scuti, the current record holder for the largest known star. If you placed it in the center of our solar system, it would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. It's so enormous, you could fit about 5 billion suns inside it. Yep, that's billion with a B. Stars like this make our sun look like a flickering birthday candle. Fact number 13, neutron stars. Magnetic fields, trillions of times stronger than Earth's. When a massive star collapses, it can become a neutron star, a super dense object just a few miles wide, yet heavier than the sun. But here's the wild part. Some of them, called magnetars, have magnetic fields so intense they could strip the data from your credit card from hundreds of thousands of miles away. If you want more weird space facts or deep dives into cosmic mysteries, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Until next time, stay curious, space nerds.